News 3's Low Country reporter Stassi Olmos caught up with them on the tarmac and brings us this military report.
It's a sight and sound inspiring dreams across the country.
I was a young boy once, going with my grandfather to Naval Air Station Willow Grove when it was still around up in Pennsylvania. And I saw the Blue Angels, and that's what inspired me.
The Blue Angels are the U.S. Navy's flight demonstration squadron, comprised of the most skilled Navy and Marine Corps pilots.
Never thought I'd be here, so it's a privilege, and to show what the Navy and Marine Corps aviation can do as a team is very special.
Traveling the country for air shows, flying 6 F-18 Hornets just below the speed of sound at 700 miles per hour, and getting as close as 18 inches.
This is an F-18 Delta. Very common especially to the Marine Corps. The Marines fly a lot of them still. The big changes on it, we've taken out the armament. The gun is gone. We've put in a 90-gallon smoke tank. That's what allows us to put smoke on when we do our show. A spring has been put around the control stick to give us a little extra resistance for flying close to one another.
A show that requires a lot of prep. That's why Lieutenants Carrick and Rickoff stopped in Beaufort Thursday, setting plans for the 2019 show at the Marine Corps Air Station.
We're excited to be here at the Marine Corps Air Station. We have a lot of Marines on the team, so we're motivated and happy to be here.
Stassi Olmos, WSAV News 3.
The Beaufort Air Show will be happening April 27th and 28th of next year. The event is expected to bring in 100,000 visitors to the Low Country.